Hello everyone, welcome to today's video. Today we are doing a bag unboxing. Can you imagine? After such a long time we are finally doing a bag unboxing, and I'm so excited about this because I have been eyeing this bag for a while now, and finally I decided to grab this, and I'll tell you why I picked this up. Here we have the package, and I'm going to open it and show you what I have got. So we're going to open this. I think from here it says pull here, so we're going to just pull. So I directly bought the bag from their website. Ooh, look at that, here it is. Do you guess which bag it is? Yes, you already know from the title. This is the Longchamp bag, and so excited, can't believe I really ordered and got it. It's such a beautiful way it arrived in this bag, and here is my, wow, here is my first ever Longchamp bag. I picked this color. I will tell you now all the details, how I bought this bag, why I bought it online, why I choose this color, all about it. Okay, so let's get started.
Here, the G here in the middle of Longchamp is definitely silent, and the P at the very end is also silent. So do not say Longchamp, Longchamp, absolutely not. Just say Longchamp, Longchamp, Longchamp.
Well, so before making this video, I definitely went in to check how to pronounce, because the French pronunciation, obviously I will do it wrong, very normal, right? And there is no shame because we are not French, so it is very normal to pronounce it wrong. So every time I go for a brand, first I try to learn the actual pronunciation, and then this is, for example, this one, if you go by the alphabets, it looks like Longchamp, but it is not. So the first thing is learning the pronunciation. It is going to be Longchamp, so I don't know, I'm still wrong, but I'm trying anyways. So this is the bag that I bought from the brand itself, but I bought it online. So I went to the store, I went to the Halt Renfrew to check the bag. They have so many different colors, so I went for particularly this color because this is summer now. So I thought this is the perfect color. I wanted a really, off-white kind of light color bag for the summertime, because I have been carrying my Louis Vuitton bag, the tote bag, for a very long time. It's their monogram bag, and it's brown, and it has been my everyday thing. And you know how difficult it is to change your everyday bag, because you have everything set in your bag, and if you change it, you forget things. So I don't usually do that, and it has been years that I have been carrying my Louis Vuitton tote bag, and now it's time to change it, because it has been it was already a vintage bag, and I kind of did a damage to it because I've been carrying it too roughly using it, and now I want a new bag, and I found that this bag is very lightweight. So now this is not the bag, okay? I'm going to open it and show you. Let's see first. Okay, so I think I got the size medium here. This is the medium size bag, and this is how it looks. I love the fact that you can make it really small by just folding it. So you know how lightweight it is. It is like nothing. Oh, this is so light. When I'm holding this bag, it has no weight. It's so light. So any weight will be here is the weight of the things I carry in here, right? So this is the size of the bag, and it's the medium bag. This is how it looks. This brown leather, and then this light color here, and the gold details. It's everything. It's so nice. And when we open this bag, the best part is now you can actually have this chain here. You have this chain here, so that means you can actually you can actually close your bag. Finally, I have a tote bag that I can close it. It is very important. And also there is a small pocket here where I can put my essentials. So they have a small pocket here, they have a big area here, and it has the chain, so I can close it, and it has this logo here. You see, it's beautifully written, the brand's name, and it's also written 1948, probably the time when first came to the market. I have to do a little research about the date, and then you close it here. How stunning this bag is. I am in love, honestly. So now let's tell you some details, because if you're thinking about buying this bag, you need to know this. First of all, why I went for this bag. Number one, I needed an everyday bag which is very lightweight, number one thing. And second thing is that I really needed a bag because my Never Full bag by Louis Vuitton, that is open. The opening is, there's no closure, there's no chain closure, so it's pretty much open. So I was really feeling these days that I need a bag that I can close. The reason behind is that, number one, in Toronto the pickpocketing has been increased. I haven't experienced anything yet, but I see that news all the time. So when I'm in the subway or in the crowded places, I really feel that if I have something very important in my bag, I am uncomfortable. I keep checking like I'm safe. So I need a bag that is closed, number one. Secondly, I needed a closure, chain closure, because now I drop my daughter off to her daycare every day, and it's a lot of work because she just we take a subway. It's a new daycare, we take a subway. So when I go to the subway, it's a lot of like taking care of her. Like I need to be totally with her, looking at her and all those stuff. A lot of the time I have to carry her, so that if my bag is open, I'm always worrying that something could fall. So I need to close my bag so I don't have to worry about my bag. It's closed, I can jump, I can run, I can carry her, nothing is going to fall, which is very important, because all this time I was taking the stroller, I didn't mind. Now she's getting bigger, she doesn't like her stroller that much, she wants to walk, and of course I let her walk and do her things, and I need the security that my things are not falling. This is another thing. Another point is that I wanted this color, and this is the only bag that I have this color. And for every day, I have realized a luxury designer bag is sometimes something that I don't want to carry every day. I prefer something that looks good, but also it is not that, you know, in that price point that I need to worry about it, or sometimes it's like people are not judging, or maybe judging, like, okay, something I don't like to be, you know, point of focus. Sometimes, especially in the subways these days, it is risky to carry all your very expensive things. I think this bag just is that thing. Another fact why I bought this bag is that the keychain. So if you have seen my past videos, you have seen I bought so many Labubus that I just love. I still love them. Maybe the hype is going a little down. I'm not so crazy about it anymore. It happens with me all the time, but I still love carrying those in my bag, and they have different outfits. I bought some Chanel outfits, some Louis Vuitton outfits, some Prada outfit for those Labubus, and I feel like when I match those outfit with the bag, that's fine, but when I carry different brands outfit with another bag, it sometimes doesn't match. With another brand, it sometimes doesn't match. So with my Louis Vuitton Never Full bag, I have seen if I give the Louis Vuitton outfit, it matches, but if I go with other outfit, it doesn't really look such a nice match. No. So I thought this bag, because of there's no loud logos here, so I can carry any of the Labubu outfit with this. That will look so cute. I think Labubu goes so good with this bag. That's another reason I want to carry those Labubus with this bag, different ones. I think they're going to be such a cute match. I have this one here. Let's see how it looks here, okay? So where should I put it? probably, ooh. Because of the light color of this bag, I can add any of the labibus and it will look so cute. And you can easily put your bag in your shoulder. It has like a good enough space here. There are different versions of this bag, and this is the regular version. I will definitely link it down below. You can find the link of this bag in my LTK shop. So I bought from their actual website. I could go to the store and buy it because I actually went to the Halt Renfrew and went to their store, and I saw all those colors. I've fallen in love with all of them, but when I came home I thought like I should go with something really neutral color. That's the point, because I want to add different keychain and make it look good, and then I need black or white. So because I always carry mostly dark color bags, I went for the light one, so that makes sense. I got it online because I was thinking I could get maybe a welcome offer or something. I don't remember if I got any 10% off for this. Was there any welcome offer? I'll check it. I will check it and write it here if I got any welcome offer. I don't remember. I have to check my receipt and let you know. Oh well, no, I actually didn't get. I thought I would get any welcome offer maybe from the website. Sometimes when you subscribe to the website, you get that. But here I see, if you can see here, yeah, here I see that when I ordered, they told me like, great news, it's on your way. So I paid $200 and then $26 was the tax, so 226 Canadian from the Longchamp website, and I got it. So it was pretty quick, like 3 to 5 days it arrived. So yeah, that's my order. So yeah, I did not get any offer, but I did not get any welcome discount or anything, but I was expecting that. So the day I went to the store, I actually wanted to think about it a little more, and then I also wanted to wait for any offer code or anything. So I don't know if they do any discounts. I have no idea, but you can actually find the bag in different retailers. I have seen this in, of course, Halt Renfrew, and then I have seen this in Farfetch website, in different website. If I find any good deal anywhere, I will definitely link it down below, but I will also link, the first link will be the actual link from where I bought my bag. Also, just to make sure, this bag is the original medium-sized tote bag. Okay, I just wanted to make sure that I'm not giving you any wrong information. So it's a medium-sized bag, and I think I'm because my height is 5 feet 3 inches, so I think for my height and my weight, this size looks actually really good on me. Any bigger would be too big, and smaller would be too small for carrying my daily stuff. So this is a medium size, and this is the original bag. There are many different versions of the bag, but I feel like the original is personally my favorite, the way it looks. There are other designs. I'm not sure about the name, but they have like green things around. I don't really like it. I just like the original one. And now I see the bag in person, like closely, I really feel like I'm going to grab 2-3 more colors because they're so affordable and so good. Just one of the best purchases I ever made, and it is so, you know, spacious. I can put all my daily essentials. This week is definitely going to be the week I'll be carrying this back to my office, and definitely I will let you know once I put everything in. I can do another what is in my bag video and just check with you guys how many things actually fits in. But I can totally see that my very important thing is my water bottle and my, you know, daily food, which I probably carry most days, my lunch, and then my cards, keys, those little things. So for those, little bit of makeup, of course, every girl needs to carry. So that's for all of those. I think this is just a perfect size, but still we will check together another day about what is it actually fitting inside. This is the first day me carrying this bag, and just wanted to show you some clips how it looks on me when I carry it outside. Totally in love with this bag. The aesthetics and simplicity is just fantastic. This part of the video is sponsored by Bestie Bottles. Are you guys ready to unbox something really cool today? You guys know I love cute stuff, so we are going to see it together. When I say water bottle, you guys don't know what I'm talking about. I'm talking about the Bestie Bottles. Look at them, how cute they are. Drinking water could not be more exciting. Let's open and check what we have. look at that little foxy for upcoming fall season. I'm totally ready. I'm going to drink water in here. Not sure if my son and daughter will steal it, but oh, you can open it from here, and you have a straw here. It's so cute. It's so nice inside. I'm all about steel bottles because plastics are not healthy. And then I have a washing brush here in, and then this is the straw goes here, so you can use it with the straw, and also you can drink it just like that, however you like it. And this little foxy is such a cute fall bottle. Oh, just so cute. Absolutely love this bottle. Let's move on to the next one. Look at that little white bear. This is the polar bear bestie bottle. We are going to seal open this seal from here. Look at that. It is of course insulated, perfect for your fall winter season. You can keep it warm or cold, whatever you need. And it's also the same way. You have the straw, you can just open the straw, and then it's all food grade healthy steel inside. So I'm just so obsessed. How cute. So these are my new bottles. Drinking water could not be more exciting. Oh, I'm so happy. And these are the lead free, BPA free, and lifetime warranty they have. So they are the Bestie bottles, truly the besties. So excited to use them, and I will be showing my kids and see their reaction. Okay, amay asho kache. So I have got these two bottles. What do you think? Water bottles.
These are mine.
These are mine. Do you want any?
Yeah. And I want to buy this.
And what Arash wants?
This
which
is
one?
mine.
Oh my God! Look, I
is
knew
mine.
they're going to steal it. Do you think it's cute?
Absolutely.
Amaya, should you show the bottle here?
Love it.
Arash is going to get this one, and Amaya is going to get the teddy bear one. Okay. And mommy is going to get more bottle. Okay, so I will not extend this video anymore here today. Hope you really liked it. Let me know which Longchamp bag you're going to collect, which color is in your mind, and what do you think about my purchase. So this video ends here today, and I'll be seeing you next time on my next video. Bye.